When you visit the Charleston area, a naturalist-led cruise with Barrier Island Eco Tours will leave you fascinated with the bottlenose dolphin. These animals boast remarkable intelligence that very few species can match. As of summer 2023, the local inshore dolphins have been classified as the Tamanins bottlenose dolphin due to their genetic traits, and they have developed what can basically be described as a culture of their own, a lifestyle unique to their niche in the shallow estuaries. While dolphins are not picky and will eat just about anything they can swallow, their diet in the Carolinas is largely made up of menhaden, mullet, and red drum, all of which are very fast schooling fish. Efficiency is key to success for these dolphins. Any poor attempt is just a wasted amount of energy, which can add up quickly considering these marine mammals are trying to catch as much as 25 pounds of fish a day. Their incredible echolocation enables them to sense what is around in their often murky environment by seeing sound. The most iconic feeding display that we rarely get to see is strand feeding, when a group of 3 to 5 dolphins forms a large wave by surging toward the bank, throwing fish out of the water, eventually sliding back down into the dolphin's open mouth. The tactical cooperation required to execute a successful strand feed is admirable, and this isn't the only trick they have. Stun feeding is a much more common method used to catch fish by slapping them violently with their fluke tail, a dramatic scene involving an eruption of water. This shot shows a dolphin causing a commotion with a big splash, spooking a school of mullet and blowing their cover. The dolphin turns toward the mullet shortly after to see if they are worth its effort. On higher tides, when the mud is being covered and prey has more wiggle room to flee, the bottlenose have to resort to simply chasing them down and trapping the fish using quick directional changes. If you want to experience the majesty of watching these animals for yourself, book a trip with Barrier Island Eco Tours. We can be reached on our website at www.nature-tours.com.